Namaskar. In this video, I will discuss about outline of the practice. Yoga Nidra is a practice which generally lasts for 20 to 40 minutes. There are separate techniques for people suffering from hypertension and other problems, and for those who want to go deep into the spiritual side of yoga. Yoga Nidra is actually a very simple practice, and you can learn it from a table record. Before starting, choose a quiet room and close the windows and doors. Turn off the television or radio, loosen your collar and tie, and switch on the tape recorder. Then lie down in Shavasana and listen to the instructions. Go on following the instructions mentally. Do not concentrate, do not control your breath, just listen to the instructions and follow them mentally. The most important thing in Yoga Nidra is to refrain from sleep. If you fall asleep, you lose the awareness which you are aiming for in the practice.